Hey guys, DanCBearded here. I apologize if the audio is terrible or if the video is shaking. I tried to do the best setup I possibly could because we are in my trailer. If you don't follow Instagram or my live streams, recently my family invested in a trailer to go camping. I'll give you a little backstory on that in just a second. But first off, this video is going to be what I've learned about packing beard products for these camping trips. And I'm going to show you guys my 3 favorite products and kind of explain why. But pretty easy here, the idea for camping trips and beard products, less is more. Simple is better, and we'll break that all down. And my name, guys, is DanCBearded. I don't know if I mentioned that, get lost track of time sometimes, and this is a beard channel. And to kind of get where we are now, Sam, my beautiful wife, and I were talking about kind of the COVID lockdown and our family and what memories our boys would be having. And so we both started talking about our favorite memories as kids. And we both kept coming back to camping. Now, this was intense with our families, but we talked about going to the pond, going to the beach, going fishing, or me personally, I loved going to the campground or the campsite store because I could buy that like bug juice drink, if anybody remembers the bug juice stuff. And then also my family let me pick out candy only when camping. That was the only time I got to pick out my own candy, and I am a candy fanatic. I love it, always have. So that was a really big deal for me, and we just loved spending time with our family, playing yard games, having barbecues and all that stuff. So we wanted to bring that to our kids. We had not really been camping before, and we decided to go all in. I wanted a camper because I like air conditioning. I didn't want a tent, and I know a lot of you are like, oh, that's not camping and stuff. Well, to us it is, and we have had a couple trips now, and we really enjoyed them. We generally go on like 4 to 5 day trips, and this video is going to break down how I pack. Now, I only pack 3 body beard products for this whole trip, and I will explain why and what they are. The first one that I pack is the straight up beard wash from DanCBearded. Now, and none of these companies are sponsoring this. They have absolutely no idea that I'm making this video. But the reason why I packed this straight up from DanCBearded is because I use this as a triple threat wash. It is unscented, so I'm not worrying about anything carrying over. I have a couple other ones, like from Bad Donkey Beard Co. I have a one that's for your head hair, your beard, and your body, but it's got scent and it lingers. I don't want to worry about bugs or anything like that. So I use this as my shampoo, as my beard wash, and as my body wash. All in one. I don't bring conditioner. I don't bring anything else. And this works really well for all of those. Is it the best shampoo I've ever used? No. Is it my absolute favorite beard wash? No. Is it the best body wash I've ever used? No. But it does a pretty dang good job on all of those, and it comes in one single bottle that I get to put in the bathroom shower of my RV, which is so valuable. Less is more. This covers 3 different products for me. Now, the next thing that I bring is beard oil. Are you ready for this? I bring 1 bottle of beard oil. What I brought with me on this trip is the Greenhorn by Whiskey and Hardtack. That is their unscented. You're starting to see a trend here, guys. When I go camping, I want unscented. I don't want to get sick of a scent. I don't want to have something that's going to attract bugs. I just don't want to worry about my mood. I go unscented here, and I love this bottle because it has the restrictor cap. I don't like to bring the eyedroppers when I'm traveling because then the oil gets into the rubber and it can disintegrate, all that stuff. This is very simple. For me, Whiskey and Hardtack is a medium viscosity. I don't have to worry about too thick. I don't have to worry about too thin. And sorry if I'm sweating here, guys. I turned off the AC so I could talk a little bit better. This has been my go-to for these camping trips, and I absolutely love it. Now, the other product that I've brought is the Ruddy Butter, and this is the Brass Tacks, aka they're unscented. Now, this is a liquid butter. The reason why I bring this one is it's so easy. I don't have to worry about melting when I'm traveling. It's been hot. We've been in the 90s in Michigan and the 90% humidity. This does not melt. It's so simple to use with this little sriracha top here. And the big thing is it's easy to use at night. I don't have to worry about melting a butter down, getting stuff on my hands. I just simply pour. Now, is it the most nourishing butter that I've ever used? No. When you make it a liquid butter, essentially it's shea butter and you're removing the long chain fatty acids, which have a lot of value, a lot of great things for your beard. It's not the greatest, but it's still really good. And if it comes to a pinch, you can absolutely just bring this and you don't have to worry too much about the beard oil. Would it be the greatest beard oil of all time? No. but it would 100% get the job done. So I could get away with just bringing these 2 products, but for me, beard oil is really important, so I bring that one. So those are the 3 products that I bring. That's it. I also bring deodorant, and then Sam has like some face wash that she brings with her, and that's it. That's everything that I have for my full body. Of course, toothpaste and all that stuff, but nothing else. My head, my face, my beard, my body, covered, good to go. I've even used this as face wash too. How good is it? I really have no idea. I'm not that great at like registering what's a good face wash or not. It's that I don't really talk about on the channel. And then I only bring one grooming tool with me. No hair dryer, no straightening brush, nothing. I bring a wide tooth wood comb with a handle. That is it. Wide tooth wood comb with a handle. I don't worry too much about my styling. I do want to comb for the health purposes. Try to get my beard looking the best possible because you're meeting new neighbors and seeing everybody. But that's it, you guys. Less is more, simple is better, and if I could give one big piece of advice when you're going camping, enjoy the camping. Your beard will be fine. If you skip a night of butter, it's okay. If you miss a morning shower in oil, it's okay. Enjoy that campground and use unscented products. I really, really recommend going unscented here, okay? Well, I'm going to take you guys on a quick tour if you guys want to see this RV. If not, you're just here for the beard tips and the beard information. That's awesome. If you're new here, this is not how my videos normally are. Go check out some of the other ones. Subscribe if you like the channel. I do appreciate you guys. So let me show you around real quick here. I'm going to flip this camera around for you. And this is our RV. We have a Catalina, or a Coachman Catalina. It's a 31-footer, so this boy is pretty legit here. And we got some nice things. The boys' bunk beds here. We got like the little sofa set up. We have a bathroom in here. Some really nice storage. This is one of Sam's favorites. Everybody when the RV is always impressed at the storage we have. They're like, what? That's what you got in there? And for me, I'm like, oh, cool, it's a closet. We got an awning out in the back and everything. Yeah, you guys like my studio set up there. Here's the bedroom. Sam's got all the sheets being washed and everything right now. So it's really nice. I am absolutely in love with it. I'm very proud, and most importantly, the memories that my family is going to make is the biggest thing. So awesome, guys. Leave me a comment down below. What did you think about those tips? What did you think about the tricks for camping and packing beard products? And then especially any of you, my boy Swag is big into camping, and a lot of you guys are. Anything that you've picked up along the way, especially for RV or tent camping, drop it down below in a comment. Thank you guys. DanCBearded. Stay bearded and stay positive.